Alright, so my mom left for work, and all my dog does is just lay by the back door like a pooch all day. So, I mean, look, I'll try calling, and he won't come, see? Scotty! Come here, boy! Come on, boy! You know what I mean? He just doesn't come. He's too much of a butt.